Hey there, Pueblo, Colorado residents. Are you experiencing slow drains or backups in your home? These issues are often caused by problems with your sewer line. Sewer lines can get clogged or damaged, leading to significant plumbing issues. Today we'll discuss common causes of sewer line problems including tree roots, grease buildup, and broken pipes. Plus, we'll provide a quick DIY tip and let you know when it's time to call in the professionals. Sewer line problems can be a real headache, but understanding the common causes can help you prevent them. First, let's talk about tree roots. Tree roots naturally seek out moisture, and they can infiltrate your sewer line through tiny cracks or joints. Once inside, they grow and expand, causing blockages and even breaking the pipes. This is a common issue, especially in older neighborhoods with mature trees. Next, grease buildup is another frequent cause of sewer line clogs. When you pour grease down the drain, it can solidify and accumulate inside the pipes, restricting water flow and causing backups. It's important to dispose of grease properly to prevent this from happening. Broken pipes are also a common issue. Pipes can crack or collapse due to shifting soil, heavy construction equipment, or simply old age. These breaks can cause leaks and blockages, leading to slow drains and backups. So, what can you do if you suspect a sewer line problem? Here's a quick DIY tip. First, try using a plumbing snake or auger to clear the blockage. Insert the snake into the drain and push it through the pipe until you reach the obstruction. Rotate the snake to break up the blockage and then pull it back out. Run water to check if the drain is flowing properly. If the DIY method doesn't work, or if you notice signs of a more serious problem, such as multiple drains backing up or a foul odor coming from the drains, it's time to call in the professionals. Our team of qualified plumbers in Pueblo, Colorado can diagnose and fix your sewer line issues quickly and efficiently. We have the tools and expertise to handle even the toughest sewer line problems, ensuring your plumbing system is back to normal in no time. Call us today at 1-614-739-0141. We'll make sure your sewer lines are clear and your home is protected from backups and slow drains. That's 1-614-739-0141. Don't wait, call now and let the experts handle it. Thanks for watching. For more plumbing tips, stay tuned. Remember, a quick call can save you a lot of trouble. Have a great day.